know he was leaving the scene because he was right, you know, you can see where the debris is.
Okay, so you thought he was turning around and coming back this way?
Yeah.
So you think he was headed that way when you hit him?
Nobody wants to come outside. I've been sleeping. Look, I've been sleeping. People have been driving around, parking in front of my house, like driving. I can't even get no sleep.
Where
And
do
they
you
come
live?
outside running around. I'm on Linwood. They coming around, driving around, circling around. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Okay.
And then nobody's outside. Nobody's scared to come outside. I'm like, what the
Relax.
fuck, man?
I don't know what's going on.
No, man, fuck that. Fuck that.
What? I don't. You're
No,
getting.
fuck that.
This is
You
an
fucked up
accident.
my fucking car, man. The fuck?
Calm down a little bit.
No, I'm not
okay?
calming down.
Step back.
No, I'm not stepping back.
Step
No, I'm
back.
not stepping back.
Step
I'm not
back.
stepping back. This is my fucking car.
It's an accident.
No, it's my fucking car. You act
It's
like you're
an
not fucking don't
accident.
care.
I'm trying to gather information so I can take the report for you, sir. You need to calm down a little bit.
I don't know which. I was behind.
91, can you step it up a minute?
Which way were you going southbound? I don't know. He was going that way.
Where?
Were you going that direction?
Give me a fucking check.
Got 41. Get on the ground! On the ground now! Flip over on your back. 10-3.
I ain't doing shit, bitch. Yo,
Flip over on your back now!
I want to do. Fuck.
Sir?
On your back
I'm
now!
fucked up.
On your back.
Kill me then.
No!
Kill
On
me,
your
bitch.
back.
Kill me, bitch.
No.
Kill me. Kill me. The fuck?
I need a
don't even
10-3.
my fucking car. I don't give
Now.
a fuck. Kill me. Kill
On
me.
the ground!
Somebody fucking kill me. The fuck?
Now!
Give me your fucking gun, bitch.
On the ground now!
Gun, give me the fucking
On the ground
I'm
now!
not on shit.
On
Give
the
me fucking
ground now!
gun Or fucking kill me. Fuck all that.
On the
Give me the
ground!
fucking gun or kill me.
On the
Give
ground!
me the fucking gun or kill
On
me.
the ground now!
Gun, no.
Now!
Kill me. I'm ready to go.
I don't want to
Kill
kill
me.
you!
Kill
Get on the
me.
ground! Get on the ground! No! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the
Kill
ground!
me.
No!
Kill me then.
No!
Kill me.
Get on the ground!
Fuck all this
Get
shit.
on the ground!
Blow my fucking hand off.
Now!
Get on the ground. No, I
Get
ain't
on
doing
the
shit.
ground.
No, hell no. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over. Come on, man. Turn over. Hands on your back. Put your hands behind your back.
All right, I'll get the cuffs.
Get your other one up back here. Yeah. Why did I just fucking kill me?
No, she was a witness. You tried to steal her purse.
Are you serious?
No, he was arguing with me here, trying to steal her purse and take off that way, and he fell, and that's when I pulled the gun on him.
Yeah, he's.
Good, Sloan.
I called the accident.
I don't even know if this is a 45 because of the way he was acting.
Was he in the car?
Yes.
Yeah, he had an accident. Another car. I don't know what happened to it.
He didn't want me to shoot him.
And I don't know what happened. And I came to tell them that I did.
Let me get the fuck out of here.
No.
Yep, let me the fuck out of here.
No.
Blow my fucking head off there,
Want me to
motherfucker.
hit you again with the gun?
Blow me the fucking head
Want me to
off.
hit you again with it? You want another shot?
95, we're going to need a sergeant for use taser.
Copy, 90 round.
Do you mind staying here as being a witness, please?
Okay. Can I come
Did you get your purse back?
Yeah.
All right.
It was fine.
Bring your legs into your chest.
Come on. Man, bro, I ain't getting the fuck up, bro. Get the fuck off me, bitch. Get the, what? Yep, hit me in there. Yep, do it. Hit me in my fucking face, dude. The fuck? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.